An appeal from the Colorado Republican Party aims to keep former President Donald Trump on voters' ballots. The appeal, filed Wednesday, calls into question the Colorado Supreme Court's decision to make Trump ineligible to be on the ballot in 2024. Professor Ian Farrell of DU's Sturm College of Law says he expects several appeals to be filed all across the country and that the U.S. Supreme Court will likely take up one of them.
The chances of this not being granted are basically nil.
The big question?
Which questions will they certify to be addressed?
The Colorado Republicans' appeal focuses on 3 points. It claims the insurrectionist clause doesn't apply to presidents. As a reminder, the insurrectionist clause prohibits anyone who swore an oath to support the Constitution and then engaged in insurrection against it from holding office. The appeal also claims that the clause had no enforcement mechanism and requires an act of Congress for it to come into play, and that Congress didn't act. And finally, it claims the Colorado Supreme Court's decision violates the Colorado Republican Party's First Amendment right of association to choose its own candidates.
So what happens from here?
We would expect oral arguments to be scheduled very quickly, and then it's off to the races.
The American Center for Law and Justice, which filed the appeal, issued a news release today, and it says in part that filing the appeal automatically stays the Colorado Supreme Court's ruling until the U.S. Supreme Court takes action on this case, keeping President Trump on the ballot. Reporting in the studio, I'm Jessica Crawford, Denver 7.